Welcome to my sales job. We simplify learning for you. The majority of salespeople lack the patience to study new tactics. Our videos are short, captivating, and full of practical information that can be immediately applied. They can listen to on the go. They are easily accessible anytime, any place, even while driving or doing other kinds of stuff. It employs a visual and audiobook style for ease of learning. We make life simple for everyone. A common question. What is the definition of selling? Selling is defined as the act of exchanging money for a product or service. Nothing more, nothing less. And this is the main duty of all salespeople. Their job is to sell and keep on selling. Selling is an art. A salesperson is an artist and a showman. A salesperson must learn and develop all the skills, knowledge, abilities, and personality traits necessary to succeed in his chosen profession. Our today's topic is how to be a successful salesperson. A successful salesperson has a unique set of qualities that they employ to close deals. Although some people are naturally talented, these skills may be acquired by anyone who wants to succeed. A successful salesperson has the following qualities. 1. A positive outlook. Let's start with your frame of mind. Failures are a natural part of the sales career journey and won't deter motivated salespeople. There are more no's returned than yes. They are prepared to move past setbacks and learn from them. A customer would rather buy anything from a salesperson who is upbeat and optimistic than from someone who is sad or negative. Since positivity spreads easily, it is simpler to approach a consumer who emanates positivity. 2. Dress properly. Successful salespeople invest in their looks. They aim to project a sense of professionalism and win over potential customers. They do not want to be perceived as just another salesperson in the crowd. Still today, people tend to judge a book by its cover. 3. Well-informed. You can interact smartly with your clients and potential consumers by staying current on news and social media. Surf the internet. Research the markets of your current and prospective customers' operations. They will be impressed and believe that you actually care about their businesses. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. 4. Be proactive. Successful salespeople take initiative and don't wait to be told what to do. They will work tirelessly to carry out the necessary tasks to promote a product or service. To be prepared, they will go above and beyond. It is a battleground out there, and the market is full of competitors. They don't want to miss any chances to showcase their products and services. 5. Be respectful. The best salespeople value the customers. No matter what the circumstance, it is crucial to always treat the customers with respect. They might not be able to buy right away during the time when you presented your products or services. They might be able to buy later, or they might even refer their friends when they find you courteous and respectful and see the value of your products. 6. Listening skills. The most effective salespeople are excellent listeners. They pay attention to the needs of the clients in order to guide them through their options and offer the best answer. Several verbal and nonverbal clues should be used. Show curiosity, but avoid any interruptions. Providing summaries and making the necessary gestural responses. Nod your head in agreement. Grinning, nodding, and making eye contact are a few of these. 7. Ask lots of questions. Make a list of inquiries to pose to your prospective clients. Salespeople that do well frequently have many questions. They seek to establish a long-term relationship with the customer and make them feel comfortable and respected in addition to learning what their needs are. They may be able to customize their needs and sell the benefits of their products to them. 8. Enthusiasm. Salespeople that are successful must love what they do. When employees are happy in their jobs, they may readily and authentically offer your company's products and services to current and prospective clients. They can demonstrate that they are here to help and aren't just looking for a quick buck. 9. Always be ready. When a salesman meets a customer or potential customer, they must constantly be ready for every eventuality. Every customer and every circumstance is different, thus salespeople must find inventive ways to handle each unique occasion as it presents itself. A skilled salesperson may provide customers with more than just an interesting sales pitch. They are positive, tenacious, informed, and skilled individuals who take the time to learn about their clients' needs, exhibit empathy, and deal with a product or service with confidence. 10. Plan ahead. Successful salesmen schedule their tasks and activities ahead of time. They are big on time management. Their monthly, weekly, and daily tasks are well organized. They are aware of the best times and locations to do prospecting, sales visits, follow-up visits, presentations, and research. They take breaks to rest, recover, and improve their selling skills. My fellow salespeople, if you can practice and develop your personality in the ways mentioned above, becoming a successful salesperson will come naturally to you, and you'll genuinely enjoy the process while earning a nice living. This is the end of this video. Look out for our next video. If you like this video, do press the like button, share, and subscribe. You can help this channel to grow by buying me a coffee. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Happy selling.